Making sense of fractions, ordering in real-life contexts. Hello, learners! Today, we're going to tackle an exciting aspect of English language learning, which surprisingly ties closely to math. We're focusing on fractions, specifically, ordering fractions, and how they are used in real-world scenarios. Before we dive into examples, let's quickly recap the basics of ordering fractions. Fractions represent parts of a whole, and when we talk about ordering fractions, it means arranging them from smallest to largest or vice versa. A key aspect is understanding that the larger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. For instance, 1/2 is larger than 1/3. Example 1. Baking a cake. Imagine you're baking a cake. The recipe calls for 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of oil. If we were to order these quantities from least to greatest, it would be the oil, milk, and then sugar. Example 2. Running a race. Consider a scenario where you're in a race, and you've completed 3/4 of the distance, while your friend has completed 2/3 of it. In this case, you've run a larger fraction of the race, so 3/4 is greater than 2/3. Example 3. Saving money. If you have 1/2 of your monthly salary saved, and your friend saves 1/3 of their salary, you are saving a larger fraction of your earnings. You can use these principles when discussing fractions in English. For instance, you could say, I have saved a larger fraction of my salary this month, specifically half, compared to last month, where I saved only 1/3. Understanding and ordering fractions not only helps in mathematical concepts but also enhances your ability to communicate more effectively in English. With real-life examples, fractions become more tangible and easier to grasp. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master this skill. Happy learning!